The Milwaukee Sawzall blade holder was broken. Video on tearing it apart. Parts to get it put in the battery. It is the M18. Push that in there like it. Pull the trigger. We'll replace this right here. Spring is also broken in there. Very simple. Couple tools to tear it apart. It's the M18 Milwaukee Sawzall. Cat number, serial number. It's definitely been used a lot. Here is us taking it apart. And then right here you use a T15 and a T25 bit to, you unscrew all the 4 little ones are T25, the 2 big ones are T15s. And then we use a screwdriver to kind of pull that open right there. It was packed full of grease when we finally got it open. Just completely full of grease. And there is a broken piece right there in the little slide. It has a broken spring right on there. We found that out. And it's all seized up. You'd think with all the amount of grease that we had in there that it wouldn't, but where the blade goes, it is seized up. Everything else seemed to work properly, as you see here. It worked perfectly fine. So it's just that blade holder that was all seized up. We didn't have any issues on this part. You see there, the rust and build up. It was completely rusted shut after just a couple of years we had it, and so figured we'd need some new ones. We found out that it wouldn't hold with that broken spring, and of course we used little screwdrivers to take it apart.
Yeah, and there's the screws right there.
The 2 big ones are those T15s. The small ones are the T25. I guess there's 5 or 6 of them. There's the screwdrivers we used right there. It's just like a snap-on set. And it is that Milwaukee Sawzall. There's the catalog number. And then the parts that we found some on Amazon pretty cheap. They're like 20. On eBay, they were about 30 bucks. You have the spring, the whole assembly. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more content.